Walking through CES, you see a lot of smart products, but some will genuinely feel like you're stepping into the future. And seeing multiple robotic mowers, mapping lawns in real time, and avoiding obstacles just really shows how far this category has evolved. So let's go ahead and take a quick tour and see what they got to offer this year.
Thanks for having me. My name is Brian Jackson. I'm a PR manager here at Navimow. As we walk through the booth, you can see the entire lineup of everything we've announced. Everything from entry-level mowers starting at about $1,000, $999 for somebody with a smaller yard at about 1/15 of an acre, to really complex, high-end consumer-grade models that will take care of an acre and a half and have really advanced vision technology. It can climb really steep slopes and take care of almost any lawn that you throw at it. Across every product that we're announcing this year, we're kind of focusing on two things. Number one, we talk a lot about drop and mow, which means that the products are really easy to set up and install on your yard. Here we just made it easier with the elimination of the RTK wire. Minimal setup on the phone. There's some work that you do to set up zones, but the mower is pretty much ready to go out of the box. The second thing we're focused on with all of our mowers is what we call turf care. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that you have a premium cut lawn at all hours of the day. Updated our I-Series with the i206 and the i210, which will take care of 1/15 of an acre and 1/4 of an acre respectively. We've focused on improving the drive wheels on all-wheel drive to make sure it can climb up better slopes and also take care of your turf when it's turning on steep or rugged terrain. We've also introduced a LiDAR model in this area. Includes a LiDAR camera for better vision if you don't have the best RTK visibility. We've also announced the H-Series, which we're really excited about. This is a series that's improves on the slope climbing and also the area covered. This will be available mostly at retailers, but also on our D2C site. And then at the very, very top of the line, we have our new X series that will take care of either an acre or an acre and a half, depending on which model that you purchase. It climbs really steep slopes at 84%. It has V-Slam, advanced navigation capabilities, but it also does a really good job of taking care of your turf. The zero turn on slopes, and make sure that it's not taking any divots out of your grass. It's a really impressive model. And then kind of at the very top of the line for people beyond even the consumer aspect, we've launched a commercial series of mowers that take care of 3 to 6 acres. And these are really great for folks who are managing golf courses or have landscaping companies because of the advanced capabilities in terms of mowing more area, and also some of the fleet management software that we've launched to help manage multiple properties and multiple courses. So we're really excited about that. For consumers who are really just focused on just getting into a robotic mower and maybe don't have the biggest lawn, we have our I-Series all-wheel drive. The i206, which will cover 1/15 of an acre for about $999. The i210, which is a step up above that. And then our i2 LiDAR series, which focuses more on using onboard LiDAR for navigation over RTK. Big difference is that the i206 and the i210 use EFLS and vision for navigation, whereas the i2 LiDAR series focuses on the onboard LiDAR camera. One other big improvement is just the all-wheel drive system on our i-Series that helps it tackle slopes a little bit better. And one really cool thing about this is that when we designed this product, we wanted to make sure that the LiDAR was inside the base in a solid state way, versus as a dome on top of the mower. One thing we found is that a lot of manufacturers do that, but the LiDAR system gets damaged. But because it's a solid state and there's not a whole lot of moving parts, it's really durable and it's really protected from the elements. Really excited about these products. Overall, we have 7 new SKUs and we're super excited to show them off at CES.
So it's very clear that Navimow isn't trying to overwhelm users with the specs, and they're trying to focus on removing friction from setup, mapping, and daily operation, and replacing it with automation that just works. And that makes it feel like it's just the next generation solution instead of just another robotic lawnmower. So after seeing Navimow live here at CES 2026, it's very clear that the strength isn't just one feature, it's the whole core technologies working together to solve real problems. You get accurate mapping, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and true zero setup operation, and all combined into a mowing experience that's smarter, safer, and easier to live with. And this is where robotic lawn care is heading, and Navimow is leading the way.